Hi there, today I'll be teaching you how to draw a bird using the numbers 1, 2 and 2. First, write the number 1, 2 and 2 very closely so you don't have a space in between. So you can see right in the video that number 1 is close to 2 and number 2 is close to the other 2. Very good. Now you draw a curve over the 2's like so, then draw a circle for the eyes and an inner circle for the inner eyes. Then you can give it some beautiful lashes. Then you draw the beak with a triangle. Then you draw 2 curves for the wings. Good. And 3 curved lines just right below. You draw a straight line for the branch. This is where our bird is standing on. So straight lines for the branch. Now we'll draw the tail like so. Three curved lines again. Then draw 3 short lines for the legs. Beautiful, and here we go, we have a bird. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe, like and share. See you in my next one.